What's up guys, it's your boy Anthony here, back at it with another awesome video. So it's been 1 week since I bought the iPhone XR. I've been using it this entire week, so today is the 1 week review of the iPhone XR. So today guys, we'll be discussing the good and the bad of Apple's newest iPhone. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so first of all, let's talk about some of the good things. I think one of the biggest things is that it actually comes at a cheaper price tag. The starting price of this device is $750. So this is about $250 less than the rest of Apple's iPhone lineup, which, you know, for $250, you can actually do a lot with your device. You can always buy, wireless charging, you can buy screen protector, you can buy a case, you can buy maybe even a pair of wireless earbuds or headphones. $250 gives you a lot of more room to actually buy different things, or if you don't need to buy anything else, you're just getting a good price for your iPhone. Now, I do have to say it, $750 is expensive for any smartphone, but you also have to remember that this is a budget iPhone. iPhones are expensive, and that's pretty much how it goes. Honestly, when you're going to buy an Apple device, you should know that when you go to buy it. One of the bad things, though, I do have to say about this device is actually the display. It's not the quality of it. We'll get into that in a second, but it's with 3D touch. If you guys notice right here, when I'm pressing down on buttons, I have to press either super hard and super long. It's not super frustrating, but it definitely is a little bit annoying. I've noticed this when I'm searching for stuff, and I do wish that they did put 3D touch in this device. You can just kind of see the lag. It's really obvious. It's not like terrible. I think that's one of the first bad things about this device. But going back to the good, it's the display. This device's screen quality is really not that bad. If you guys look at it, yes, you can. If you look at it close enough, you can start to see individual pixels. I honestly did not notice that much of a difference between this display and the iPhone XS or XS Max display. Another great thing about this device that I really love is the battery life. I got extreme amounts of battery life on this thing. Literally, it could last me a day and a half, almost 2 days of battery life. For me, having extra long battery life is super important. It's actually kind of annoying charging up your device. So yeah, that was a super important thing, and I was super glad that the battery lasted a long time. Going back to one of the bad things on this device, it does not have a dual camera system. It is only a one single wide angle camera lens. So pretty much when you want to take portrait mode photos with your pets or about a different object, you won't be able to do this. This portrait mode is actually used only with people, and it's used in the software. So that's really, I think, if you really want portrait mode for different stuff like that, this is probably not the iPhone for you, but for me, I didn't really use it for things. It was only for people, so it's not a big deal. One of the stellar things I really love about the iPhone XR is just the array of colors it comes in. This is obviously the blue model, but I love that Apple included so many different colors this year, and I think that really attracts to just all types of people who are trying to buy this device. This blue color is honestly my favorite. It literally just pops on this phone. It looks absolutely dope, guys. It looks really amazing. I've owned this device for a week, and after saying some of the good and bads to you guys, I have to say I just love it. This thing is super fast. It has great, honestly, graphics for me. The graphics look totally fine. It's a great upgrade from my iPhone 6 Plus. Innards are just super fast. They run amazingly. I have everything I want out of this device. I can add 10 times more apps than this. I have a great 4K camera. It just is awesome. I love this device so much, and if you guys are trying to get a new iPhone, I totally recommend it. I also think that the iPhone XR will be Apple's best seller this year. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, peace.